My name's Pete Lowe. I'm the managing and founding partner of Lowe Law Group. Personal injury law has always attracted me because I really enjoy helping people. I had an injury to my neck. I actually herniated a disc at my C6, C7, ended up requiring a surgical fusion. While it was a terrible experience to go through for myself, it's been absolutely huge as far as me understanding what my clients are going through. Now, they may not have had the same injury as me, but I really understand how hard it is to go from where you feel like your life's going a certain direction, you've got your health, you're doing well, and suddenly that's totally taken away, and you find complete new challenges and struggles, both physical and mental. So it's been very rewarding for me to be able to step in, help those people, and also to be able to relate. And when I say I really understand what you're going through, that I do, I've got a new passion when I stand before the jury and really explain and lay out for them the lifetime impact that someone's injury has been. But not only that, to also understand there's hope afterwards. You can get a serious injury and you can still succeed in your life and move forward, but sometimes we just need a little help along the way to get over those humps.
My name's Chelsea. I'm the operations manager here, and I've been here for 4.5 years now.
Hi, my name is Jamie. I lead the operations department, and I have worked here just under 2 years.
I started an intake back in 2021. After intake, I moved to our operations team. Then I started managing the operations team, and then I managed the records team, and then we added on accounting, and then I started managing IT, and now that's kind of where I've settled, is I'm over IT and operations. My favorite part of the day is right when I get into the office. I like to be here nice and early, usually 7. I really enjoy the quiet hours from 7 to 9. And then it's kind of fun to see everybody show up and say hi.
I think it's just seeing my team, running into people in the office, definitely coming into work just to see the people, because I do really enjoy my team. And then obviously I take pride in my work. So a job well done, getting all my tasks done for the day. A win would be, to me, if our department recognizes issues sometimes, and so to me it's getting that issue to the right person, helping facilitate a resolution, or if someone needs something done that's a little unique or different, we can pull everybody together and accomplish that goal.
What stands out most, I think, is realizing just how much it takes to run a case and support all of our clients. It takes a lot more than just our case management team. We have a lot of support departments, and just keeping attorneys good to go, keeping the business side good to go. It's way more involved than I ever would have thought.
I do have a lot of favorite memories. We work hard, but we do also play hard.
I think my favorite memory is just looking back on where I started versus where I am now. I think that's probably the most fun to look back on. Our goal is to just keep growing, so we've kind of gone back to the drawing board of our actual software setup and just IT in general, and kind of restructuring that for the growth so it's more scalable, it's easier to get everything done for the client and keep the client happy and get the best results that we can. So we're kind of just restructuring everything right now, which has been a huge project for my department specifically. But I think being on the path towards a lot of growth is really exciting, and it's given us the opportunity to really show how much more we can do as a law firm. We kind of do a little reset.
Let's see, so the operations department, our tasks change depending on what the firm needs. And so over time, and I've been here about 2 years, I've definitely seen a lot of change. So it's kind of fun and exciting. You never know what is going to change every year. There's always something new, so it kind of keeps us on our toes. I've never worked for a law firm before, so I think going in, I just had no idea what the back end of a law firm looked like what the operations department looked like. So it was really cool to see all the inner workings, and also there are so many different departments that do so much to make this entire place run smoothly. So I guess I was impressed with the amount of work that goes into a case even before it gets to the attorney's desk. A person who thrives in my department would be someone who's super helpful, enjoys little mysteries, noticing something that doesn't quite look right and saying, oh, I'm gonna dig into this, or I'm gonna help somebody else dig into it. Also somebody who is really metric driven. So if you're like, ooh, I wanna beat my, X amount of this done, I wanna beat that, or I wanna figure out a better way to do something. I'd say that is really great. Our department is also great for people who like to be sociable, but maybe not all the time. Sometimes we have days where you're talking to more people on the phone, other days you may not because you're doing more audits. So it's someone who's, I would say, a little competitive, detail-oriented, and energetic. Feel free to ask questions because we want to help you become the best employee possible. And so if you have any questions, anyone on the team is super helpful and happy to help you figure it out, because we want you to be successful at your job too. I enjoy that every day, although I have a set schedule. Every day is a little different, so you never know which mystery you're gonna have to solve. Who might have a fun treasure hunt or question for you. Who do I get to work with today when it comes to another department? So it's fun because I like the consistency, but also the slight variety as well. It keeps it exciting. So my team for April Fool's Day, it's my late start day. I came in and everybody was wearing long wigs, and it was just really cute and funny, and it was super sweet. My team's awesome, and also everybody here is super, super friendly. So just
I find we can create solutions and really help people, really get them to where they came through the door needing help desperately. And because of our team and the skill set we've been able to develop, that we get people in a good place when they're done with their case with us.